Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home essentials. Today, we're talking about the HOSOM keyed entry doorknob, a product that we believe to be the best door lock with key for both commercial and residential use. Whether you're upgrading your front door, installing a secure handle for your bedroom, or even securing a bathroom, this doorknob has you covered with a sleek satin nickel finish that provides both security and style. Let's start with the design. The HOSOM keyed entry doorknob has a modern and sophisticated satin nickel finish that complements any decor. But it's not just about looks. This doorknob is built for durability and ease of use. Made from heavy-duty, rust-proof zinc alloy, it's designed to withstand the elements, providing a long-lasting solution for your home or business. Installation is a breeze. The doorknob comes with all the necessary hardware, so you don't need to be a handyman to get it set up. In fact, with just a screwdriver, you can quickly assemble and secure the knob, saving you time and frustration. Now, let's talk about security. This entry doorknob is designed with dual safety features. One side is locked with a turn button for quick privacy, while the other side can be locked with a key for added security. Whether you're using it for a front door or a bathroom door, this dual locking system ensures peace of mind. And if you're wondering about durability, rest assured that this knob is built to last. It meets ANSI Grade 3 certification, meaning it has been tested to withstand heavy use, up to 200,000 cycles. This makes it a sturdy choice for high-traffic areas. In conclusion, the HOSOM keyed entry doorknob combines security, durability, and style, making it the best choice for your home or commercial property. With its easy installation, reliable safety features, and modern design, it's a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their door hardware. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there. See you in the next video.